A long-handled reacher can assist with reaching down to take off socks, pull up underwear and pants, as well as pick up light, small items from the floor. When using the reacher, make sure you are not bending over too far or reaching your hands past your knees. To put on a pair of pants, use the reacher to put in the operated leg first, then the non-operated leg. Pull the pants up past your knees, then with the front-wheeled walker in front of you, stand up and pull up the pants around your waist. To take them off, pull down the pants past your hips and sit down. Use the reacher to take off the non-operated side first, then the operated side, also with the reacher. If you typically wear socks, the sock aid will assist with putting them on. Thread your sock onto the sock aid. Put the sock aid down on the ground without bending forward. Slide your foot into the sock aid and pull the aid up and off your foot. To take off the socks, you can use the long-handled shoehorn or reacher. To put on your shoes, use the long-handled shoehorn to assist with sliding your heel into the shoes. You can also use the shoehorn to take the shoes off.